our gloves on and get ready for some combos. Let's go. We're gonna get close to each other, not scatter, so we can feed off of each other. Now, for this first combination, what I want you to do is teep the bag, drop the leg, come back with a round kick, okay? So you're gonna teep, boom, boom, same side. We're gonna work on using the same side. Just those two kicks, and we're gonna build. Boom! Boom! If you want to do both sides, let's go ahead and do both sides. If you want to switch to southpaw, let's go. You want to do your southpaw, you want to switch to orthodox, let's go. Don't turn it all the way. Boom! All that body out of the way. Alright? So boom, boom. Alright? Boom, boom. That's one. The body goes out the way. Make something spin around. Got cross lead round. Boom! Don't walk! Maintain your stance! Good energy! Yeah! Alright, we're switching to the rear now. Leg up, make space. Leg up, make space. Start to cool down in a fight stance. Right. Front hand rotates forward. Rear hand rotates backward. Whoa, let's do the other side. Front hand rotates forward. Back hand rotates. Let's do something else. Okay. Hands on your hip. Rotate 10 times clockwise, 10 times counterclockwise, rotate. Alright, let's put our gloves on and get ready for some combos. Let's go. We're gonna get close to each other, not scatter, so we can feed off of each other. Now, for this first combination, what I want you to do